and welcome back to my channel. My name is Juhi and I make YouTube videos. Give this video a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. As the summer is here and today I'm going to show you 3 easy simple hairstyle which you can do in just 60 seconds. You can try this hairstyle to improve your Instagram feed and don't forget to tag me if you try this hairstyle and also follow me on my Instagram account. During this quarantine time, we are interacting with so many people like friends, family, boyfriend, etc. So you can do this simple hairstyle during last minute video conferencing call. This is my favorite and my everyday hairstyle, that is the messy bun. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye bye.